Think maintaining your car costs hundreds of dollars every time. Think again. In this video, I will show you how to be a DIY car hero with just this, a single $20 bill. That's right. For less than the cost of a fast food meal for two, you can give your ride the attention it deserves. From cleaning corrosion to smoothing out squeaky doors, we're breaking down real car maintenance that you can do yourself without draining your wallet. Let's dive in. Tip number 1. Change your oil filter. The oil filter is your engine's first line of defense. It catches all the grime, carbon, and metal shavings that would otherwise circulate through your engine and cause damage. Even if you are not ready to do a full oil change yourself, replacing just the filter can still go a long way in keeping your oil cleaner for longer. A new filter typically costs between $5 to $10, and it's as simple as unscrewing the old one, rubbing a bit of fresh oil on the new gasket, and spinning the new one in place. Tight, but not too tight. You'll need an oil filter wrench, which is also cheap, and just a pan to catch the old oil if any drips out. Doing this regularly helps improve oil flow, protects internal parts, and ensures your engine runs smoother and more efficiently. Tip number 2. Change your cabin air filter. This one's a game changer, especially if you've been sneezing a lot in your car lately. The cabin air filter traps dust, pollen, and smog from entering through your vents, and when it's clogged, your AC works harder and blows less efficiently. Most people don't even know it exists, but it's usually located behind the glove box and takes under 10 minutes to swap. No tools, no mess. A fresh filter can instantly improve air quality and make your HVAC system last longer. And best of all, it costs less than $20 to breathe clean, fresh air every time you drive. Tip number 3. Replace your engine air filter. Your engine breathes air just like you do, and if that air is dirty, performance suffers. A clogged air filter can reduce fuel efficiency, limit acceleration, and even cause your engine to run rough. But the good news is, you don't need a mechanic to fix it. Most engine air filters are housed in a plastic box that opens with just a few clips or screws, and replacements cost between $10 and $20. Slide the old one out, pop in a new one, and boom! Your engine is breathing clean again. This simple swap can boost your MPG and make your engine run like new again. Tip number 4. Refill coolant reservoir. Coolant helps regulate engine temperature and prevents overheating. If it's low, your engine could run hot or suffer internal damage. Check the level in the reservoir when the engine is cold. If it's below the min mark, add a premixed 50-50 coolant blend, usually around $10 to $15 for a small bottle. Be very careful never to open the radiator cap when hot. It can spray boiling fluid. Keeping coolant topped off ensures consistent engine temperature and helps prevent overheating-related repairs, which can be very costly. Tip number 5. Check and inflate tires. Underinflated tires reduce fuel efficiency, affect handling, and wear out faster. Checking your tire pressure takes just a few minutes with a pressure gauge, which costs about $5 and lasts forever. Compare the reading with the recommended PSI in your vehicle's door frame or manual. If they're low, most gas stations have air pumps that cost $1 or are free. Inflate each tire to the correct pressure and check the spare tire too. Doing this once a month helps extend tire life and ensures better traction and braking. There you have it. Real maintenance, real results, and all for under $20. These DIY tricks aren't just about saving money. They're about learning your car and taking control of your vehicle's health. No more waiting in shop lines, no more mystery fees. So, see you in the next video.